Hello, and welcome to this new video about the digital lab technology in Constellab. I'm still connected to Constellab using a demonstration account with Julie. Julie has access to these two on-cloud digital labs. A digital lab in Constellab is a virtual environment where scientists can perform various tasks related to their laboratory activities, such as data storage, data visualization, pipeline development, and more. This technology consists of a set of digital tools and resources. And if you watched the previous video about the digital project ecosystem, you would have seen that some digital resources that were created from a digital lab were synchronized and made accessible on the project page. On cloud, on desktop, or on premises are three different ways of deploying digital labs. With an on-cloud subscription, your digital lab is shared between all scientists within a space and fully managed by Gincovery. Individuals can also use an on-desktop version for free, while academics and enterprises seeking to utilize their own server can access on-premises digital labs. Directly from the dashboard, you can fill this form, and our team will contact you to discuss your needs in order to offer you the best offer. Otherwise, you can also purchase an on-cloud digital lab to test the technology for a few hours and for free. Let's see now in detail the digital lab environment. Now I'm going to connect to this lab. You can see here all digital experiments. An experiment is a procedure to conduct data analysis to explore or validate scientific hypotheses, or to process your data in a production mode. Each digital experiment provides a no-code playground to run ready-to-use processes in several domains like data science, bioinformatics, modeling, and more. Some processes are specialized scientific functions that are grouped into bricks that serve as a library. You can visit Constellab community to know more about bricks. Live tasks are fast and efficient tools to develop, test, use, and share R or Python code snippets from the playground. And smart tasks democratize and accelerate data analysis for all scientists, based on a conversational dashboard powered by OpenAI, which generates Python code, interactive charts, and tables automatically. In this example, only few seconds are necessary to create an experiment, add a data table, connect this data table to a smart task, and generate an interactive scatter plot using the two first columns. This figure can be improved via the conversational module, and the task also generate a code in Python. A digital resource refers to all data-oriented objects manipulated within a digital lab. From each digital experiment, processes utilize resources as input and produce resources as output. You can access to your data and results from the data box, where digital resources are stored. Users can upload digital resources into the data box or download them from external sources, such as another digital lab. Resources can encompass various types of objects, including data files, folders, tables, images, and more. Each resource contains different views, which are utilized to generate visualizations of the data. For example, a table can be viewed in a spreadsheet-like format or visualized as a scatter plot. All generated views are saved and accessible from experiments, the resource page, and the view box, which stores the history of all views. The majority of digital views in Constellab are interactive, allowing users to zoom and customize graphs. Views can be shared among users and added to reports for enhanced data visualization. A digital report is a scientific report that you can write to present the results of your experiment. These reports can be synchronized with a digital project, allowing your team to access them. In a digital report, you can include various elements such as interactive views of your results, like spreadsheets, plots, mathematical formulas, images, and videos. In Constellab, a user can also create digital protocol templates, which are predefined series of connected and configured processes that can then be reused by you, your team, or the community. By using a protocol template, you can easily set up a new pre-configured experiment, ensuring consistency. Digital experiments can be used by all scientists, especially by biologists. Day after day, the Gencoveries team implement new scientific tasks and new bricks to democratize artificial intelligence for data biologists working in the biotechnology field. But the community of bioinformaticians and developers can also contribute to this achievement by developing new public or private tasks. Constellab has a development environment with Constellab, a pre-configured online IDE using VE's code. Bioinformaticians can easily develop their own task and quickly test it. Constellab also supports the Jupyter Notebook, and our environment can be simply installed. Developers will also be able to establish a secure connection with remote code repositories like GitLab or GitHub, and then transform their code into tasks for simplified use by all scientists. To sum up, a digital lab in Constellab is a virtual environment for all scientists to perform tasks like data analysis, data visualization, pipeline development, and technical reporting. Digital labs can be deployed on cloud, on desktop, or on premises. Scientists can create digital experiments to process their data with specialized scientific tasks, live tasks, and smart tasks that democratize and accelerate data analysis for all scientists. Resources encompass data files, tables, images, and more, with different interactive views that can be customized, shared, and added to digital reports. Developers and bioinformaticians can contribute new private or public tasks and bricks to democratize AI in biotechnology. This is the end of this series, First Steps in Constellab. In Constellab community, you can pursue the discovery of Constellab by reading stories and documentation, and by watching spotlight videos about the Constellab features. If you need more support or specific training sessions, you can contact us using the support button from the dashboard. Thank you for watching.